welcome lettering artists! My name is Jessie, I'm Jumprope's DIY content director, and as a hand lettering artist myself, I am super excited to see how the lettering community is growing on Jumprope. If you're thinking about creating your first Jumprope, I suggest starting off with something pretty simple that takes about 5 steps. With the help of some of our talented creators, I'm going to share some ideas to help you brainstorm your lettering Jumpropes. For any calligraphers or brush letterers out there, you can start by showcasing the 8 basic strokes like Jumprope creator Paper Mementos did here. Lettering always looks great on a beautiful background, so walk us through your favorite watercolor background techniques. This example is by Essie Creates. Every letterer blends colors differently. Show off your favorite blending techniques like this Galaxy blend by Yolanda. Faux calligraphy is always a fun trick for someone just learning lettering. Share your step-by-step to get them started, shown here by Rothburn's Creative. If you have a special trick you've learned over the years, now is the time to share it step by step, like I did here with my tracing paper drop shadows method. I hope you're feeling inspired to create lettering Jumpropes. If you have any questions or you want to brainstorm even further, feel free to chat us in the app or reach out on Instagram at Jumprope DIY.